Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you one more exciting game that you can find in Google. So it's a very nice game like how I taught in the previous video Slither.io. You must have seen that video. If not, then go to my channel and see that video now. So here's another game. So you need to open Google in Mozilla Firefox or Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome, whatever you have, or Safari, anything in any web browser. So you need to open, and over there you need to write clicker 60 seconds. You need to write over here. I am writing, and then you need to wait for it until it loads. So here it is loaded. So you need to click on this first link over here. So I've clicked on the first link, and here it's loading as you can see, and now it's loaded over here. So now you need to click down, go down, and here you can see clicks per minute. Here's a game, the that will challenge the strength and stamina. So you need to click here to start playing the game. So it's a very simple game, and most record for most the clicks per minute is 9.7 cps. So its last update is on 24 July, so that's today. So it's very cool. So let's start. Click here, and now I need to click it here. Yeah, I wanna, when I want to cross the strength. Okay, it's 7 seconds and I have done like almost 50. I need to gather my speed. I'm going very slow. Try this game, alright? And guess how that will I cross the maximum score or no? My god, my hands have started paining. You wanna try this? To try this in your leisure time, or when you're free, or when you're bored. Sometimes the page doesn't respond, but that doesn't matter. It will go. So here I am done almost. Oh my god. I want to complete at least 300. Okay, only 10 seconds left. I need to gather my speed. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Oh my god. Snap those fingers. Oh my. I got a turtle. You can get more, like you can get rabbit, octopus, or cheetah. You can get like that. But I got these all. So, yep, you can get to know that how much did you click with the speed. So I clicked over here 4 point something 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 cps. I made in total 281 clicks in a minute. That's a lot. For my hands are literally paining now. So do try this amazing game, and thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Bye. Don't forget to comment and share with your friends and family.